and welcome back to my channel. Today is Saturday. Yes, we almost there. We got one more day to go, but luckily it's not too bad. So far as our weekly cleaning checklist on Saturdays, what I do is start off with a load of laundry, maybe like wash the towels that we done used this week, something like that. You know, it's not too many clothes. And I also clean my living room, just do touch up, and I clean my kitchen. That's like a daily thing for me, is my kitchen. But anyways, nevertheless, it's got to be done. So I recently found out about this laundry sanitizer that I am putting in my towels, and oh my God, you guys, it is absolutely amazing. I love it. Like, my towels and my wipes be white, like snow white after I use the stuff. So I usually use 2 cups, and I still use a cup of bleach right along with it, because it's not a bleach based material, it's just a sanitizer. You can use it for colors or anything. Like, it's amazing. But anyway, nevertheless, I hope you guys sit back and enjoy this video. I hope this video motivates somebody, and continue watching.
I know how to run from the dark and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate into the clouds. I'm so high above the ground. I'm rising. I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally. I I know the reason why we chose to say goodbye, but I can't help my feelings. Right now, I can't deny you never left my mind, and now my heart is bleeding. Why did I have to break it up? Guess I was just a young girl living in a dream world. I thought that I'd be better off, but now I pay the price. I do. I don't know how to forget you. I can't forget you. You're always on my mind. I do the things that I should do, so I can't forget, but you're always on my mind. Thought you'd be gone by tomorrow, but you're still there tomorrow, and the next day, the next day. I wish I wouldn't remember how you make me feel better in the best ways, the best ways. When I lay down at night, I miss you by my side, telling me about your secrets. I dream and fantasize that I come by your house, telling you about my regrets. Why did I have to break it up? Guess I was way too shallow, my mind was way too narrow. I thought that I'd be better off, but now I pay the price. I do. I don't know how to forget you. I can't forget you. You're always on my mind. I do the things that I should do, so I can't forget, but you're always on my mind. Thought you'd be gone by tomorrow, but you're still there tomorrow, and the next day, the next day. I wish I wouldn't remember how you make me feel better in the best ways, the best ways. I know why we say goodbye, but can we turn that bye into hello? I know how to love you now. No matter what I do, I can't let go. I don't know how to forget you. I can't forget you. You're always on my mind. I do the things that I should do, so I can't forget, but you're always on my mind. Thought you'd be gone by tomorrow, but you're still there tomorrow, and the next day, the next day. I wish I wouldn't remember how you make me feel better in the best ways, the best ways.
I hear you breathe, but I can't see if you're right here next to me. Something's wrong, wasn't it fun? Is it now we're done? You get dressed, I'm like a mess, and you tell me to confess, and you tell me to confess. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me, because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing without me. Running fast, never look back. Now we're over, that's a fact. Phasing light, see it all bright. You were never right. Back to life, I apologize. Too soon to say I'm fine. Too soon to say I'm fine. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream.
That's it, you guys. So I have washed that small load of laundry, washed the dishes, tidy up the living room, and that's it. Nothing too much, nothing too hard. So that's all I do on a Saturday for as my cleaning wise. But nevertheless, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and to all of my subscribers out there, thank you. I love you and I appreciate you so much. And if you're new to my channel, be sure to go hit that subscribe button and make sure your bell is on. That way you won't miss the upload. Until the next time, until the next video, I truly love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.